From Actionable Ops, here's how to put Hermes on Discord as a bot in your servers and DMIS. Discord behaves a little differently from Telegram. In DMs, Hermes replies to everything. In server channels, Hermes only responds when you mention it. That keeps the bot from interrupting normal conversation. If you want a help channel where people can talk freely without tagging the bot, that channel goes in Discord free response channels. One security note: without an allow list, Hermes fails closed and denies everyone. Add your user ID to Discord_allowed_users so the bot actually talks to you. Step 1. Make the application. Go to discorddevelopers.com/applications. Click New Application. Name it. Note the application ID. Click Bot in the sidebar. Set Public Bot to On. Discord makes a bot user automatically. Step 2. Get the token. On the bot page, click Reset Token. Discord shows it once. Copy it now, or you have to reset again. Like Telegram, anyone with the token controls the bot, so treat it like a password. Step 3. Privileged Intents. Still on the bot page, scroll down. Turn on both message content intent and server members intent. Without message content, Discord strips the actual text from messages. Without server members, the bot cannot resolve usernames for your allow list. Both are required. Step 4. Permissions and invite. The bot needs view channels, send messages, embed links, attach files, and read message history. Use the Discord installation tab for a one-click invite with the right scopes, or build the URL manually. Step 5. Wire it up. Hermes Gateway Setup. Pick Discord. Paste the token. Add your Discord user ID to Discord_allowed_users so the bot can talk to you. Then Hermes Gateway start. Once it is in, sessions get smart. By default, each DM is its own session. Each thread is its own session. And inside a shared channel, each user gets their own session. So Alice and Bob in the same hash research channel do not pollute each other's context. Flip group sessions per user to false in config if you actually want one shared room session. Voice channels are the killer feature. The bot can join a VC, listen to you talking, and reply out loud. You need discord.py voice installed, with the messaging extra. Then the agent uses Opus for the codec. Pair it with voice mode from episode 19, and you have a real-time spoken assistant in any VC. That's Hermes on Discord, built by Noose Research. And for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.